I'm obsessed with this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. Nice to meet you. If you don't already know who I am, what's good? No, I'm just kidding. But thank you for clicking this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Today is a clothing haul. It's a try-on clothing haul featuring all of Windsor Store. They were kind enough to give me some items last month on my birthday. Well, last month was my birthday and I went to LA for like a little girl's birthday trip. And they sent me some goodies to wear in Los Angeles. Let's get into it. This is the first thing I got. It's a cute little crop top sweater and skirt set. It's so cute, so girly. It gives me like tennis vibes. I have a little slit right here on the leg. It's a nice sweater material, cute print. But like I said, it's nice quality, nice and thick, and I love it. And I actually wore this outfit with some white sneakers when we went to Venice Beach, so it was a vibe. It was definitely a vibe. Next, I have this cute little skirt right here. It's like an emerald green. It's so pretty. You can scrunch up the sides a little and like make it shorter, and like they just hang like that. I also got this cute skirt. It's a cute faux leather skirt. And this is also really comfy. It's high-waisted. It has a zipper. The zipper goes like it all the way unzippins like that, and then it just buttons. So next I have this cute crop top. It's just a basic ribbed white, like white off-white cream crop top, and it ties like that from the back, and then it ties like I just rushed it. You can like make the ties like more neater, but this is what we're going with. So it's super comfortable. This is the top I wore with that emerald green skirt. I love this shirt. Like, I love it so much. And then I got these cute jogger bottoms. Ooh, I'm falling. Zippers on the side. It scrunches at the ankle. And y'all, these are like tight. Like they're supposed to fit tight, but they're so comfortable. Whoa. I'm not gonna say so comfortable because they're a little tight. I love these, and the pockets are nice, and this is actually a cute outfit. They also make the booty look cute. They accentuate, they do the butt real good. This is the top I actually wore with these pants, and I wore like a little clear heel with them, which I'll show you. But it says Scorpio. It's a cute little graphic tee. I feel like black graphic tees are staples. What? Oh, but he doesn't ever want to be on camera.
I don't.
That's PDA.
PDA?
He just loves to interrupt.
That's what I'm saying. Nothing.
No, you wouldn't dare. But, okay, so this is the shirt I got with it. It says Scorpio. Obviously, it was for my birthday month. And so I was like, right. Like, I love being a Scorpio. I wore this shirt and I tied it with these pants. You can wear it like normal. You can wear with sweatpants. Oh, that's what I was saying. Black graphic tees are staples. Like, get you a black graphic tee, whether it's all black, splatters, band names, do what you gotta do, but get you a black graphic tee. I also got these cute jogger pants. They're like a distressed charcoal black gray pant. They're baggy. It's a drawstring. They form the booty nice also, and they scrunch up at the bottom like normal joggers. Super comfy and just nice. I feel like I needed more pants just for like everyday life, you know. This is another shirt that I got that I love so freaking much. Like, y'all, look at the sleeves. Like, I don't know, and it reminds me of like the 90s, like the type of graphic print on it. I don't know, but I love it, and it's just so cute. It does fit extra like tight around here, so you know, don't eat a bagel that morning. I'm just kidding. Just buttons right here down the center. Sorry, don't worry about my bra. I wouldn't wear this bra with it. I love this top so much. Also got this really cute top, y'all. Like, How freaking cute. It's like a corset style. Sorry, I'm trying to like hide straps and shit. But it's like a corset style top. But here's the thing though. You see how it's like that stretchy like material? So it's not tight and uncomfortable at all. But I love it, and like it goes up on the sides like that. I actually got it to go with these jeans. These jeans right here, these cute mom jeans, and they like stop at the ankle. Y'all, I just think this is so freaking cute. With like some cute like sneakers, or you can like wear a cute heel. I don't know, I love it. Like, I love it. And like these are my new favorite jeans. I also got this cute bodysuit. It's like a leopard cheetah print red mesh see-through bodysuit. Full tie. So I would recommend sizing up in this as well. It does like tie, like it closes at the neck, and it's a snap bodysuit, so you don't have to like, it's easy to go to the bathroom, that's what I'm trying to say. You can wear it with a nice black bra or with a camis underneath. Nothing, you don't have to wear anything underneath, just pasties, and maybe not even pasties, all nipple, go all nipple. Yes, it's a nice little fire, little hot, little red hot, little action going on right now. I love this. It's just like a tie crop top, and it has cute sleeves that you can button or unbutton. I actually wore this top with these pants, and I've paired it with like some cute white like Nike Huaraches or whatever. And I love the print. It's not like cheetah print or anything. It's just like, it's not even polka dots. It's like black specks. I don't know. I like it. And I did get 3 jackets that I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to really quickly show you guys those 3 jackets. This is the first jacket that I got. It's like a black crop suede jacket. It is so freaking cute, y'all. It's so soft. I love the material. And it has one button on there. It's a gold button. And you can just wear it out, and I just think it's so cute and it's so comfortable, and I just love it. And it comes with like 2 little pockets right here in the front. Next, I got this cute like biker, my hair is all, this jacket is like really stiff, let me tell you that. It is a leather jacket, but it has like velvet cheetah print on it, velvet leopard print, so it doesn't look leather, but it is. And it's like a moto style, so it has like a zipper. You can like zip it up, and it's also cropped. I actually want like a nice staple like faux leather jacket, but I saw this one and it's like kind of like sexy because it's like cropped. So I would love to pair this with like an all black outfit. You don't even need an introduction, like look at it. Like, I'm obsessed with this. It's a teddy coat, rose gold detailing, and it's so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed with the color, and it's just so comfortable. But I love it, y'all. Like, it was my airport jacket. It's nice and warm, and it's just cozy, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Like, what are we doing? Why are we here? I did get 2 hats that I want to show y'all, but it's like a little round top hat with like a little leather detailing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you can see that I wore this hat with this outfit. I'm obsessed with this hat. Like, why does it exist? It exists for me. I follow Milena Ciciotti. If you guys know her, she's so cute, love her. But she always like styles her outfits with hats, and I'm like, that is so cute. So she actually inspired me to get this hat, and so I love this little number here. And I have another hat that I'm just like, no, y'all, this hat. What? Look at this. It's a fur, like a faux fur tiger print bucket hat. Like, who knew? Who knew that everybody needed a bucket hat? If you don't have a bucket hat, what are you doing? Tia and Tamara Mowry told us years ago, decades ago, to get this freaking bucket hat. And now I finally got it. Well, not this one in particular, but they, you know, they're bucket hat sisters. But yes, I'm obsessed with this. I love it so much, and it's so soft. Like, head massage, or am I just feeling the fur? Let me show you guys the 2 pairs of shoes that I got. So this is the first pair. It's just a clear heel like this. It's so comfortable. I love it, and it's not a really big heel, but it's like just perfect for every day. If you're gonna be out all day, you can wear these all day. And it's like that Kim Kardashian style, like that heel she's been wearing, that weird looking heel. But I just thought it was so cute. And it's a mule. I like mules. Mules give me like classy, like park my car type valet vibes. That's what mules give me. And I have this cute stiletto pointed toe sequined snake print boot. Hunty. Let me just tell you, these babies are not comfortable, okay? They hurt. Don't try to like park your car and walk to get to the place. Valet, get somebody to drop you off, Uber it. Just don't be walking long in these because they're just hard and there's not a lot going on in there, but they're cute, so they're worth it. I love this a lot. Like, I love this. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul. And you guys should really check out Windsor Store for their products. Over the years, I feel like their quality has really improved as far as like the quality of their clothing. And I do want to say thank you again to Windsor for gifting me these cute items. So happy. I've been working with them for like 3 years now, so it just always makes my heart melt when they send me goodies. Yeah, I wish you guys a great weekend and just happiness. So yes, love you.